Okay, so I'm going to do two examples of what you will see in the questions below so that you can do it on your own. Two more examples to watch on your own. So here I have 3x squared minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 11 minus 2x squared minus 6x plus 10. So this I want to subtract vertically, and here's how you would subtract. Your first step is to change subtraction into addition of your additive inverse, or addition of your opposites. So we're going to change the subtraction sign into plus, and we're going to change the sign of everything on the bottom only. Okay? So it becomes plus a negative 2x squared. So it's like you're distributing that minus into everything on the bottom. So negative 2x squared, this minus 6x becomes plus, and this plus 10 becomes minus. So I've changed the sign of everything on the bottom only. Now I just go through my rule of adding. So I have 3x squared plus a negative 2x squared, only adding the number in front. 3 plus negative 2, if you do not know what it is, if you're adding different signs, you subtract and take the sign of the one decimal off. There's more about positive, so 3 plus a negative 2 will be a positive 1. So it will be 1x squared. You want to go ahead, if you do not know what it is, you can go ahead and Google decimals, okay? So just pull up decimals, go to Google. So have this open just to check yourself, and Google decimals graphing calculator. And decimals graphing calculator, all you want to put, you can use it like a regular calculator, okay? So we want to find 3 plus a negative 2. You could put it in, and I'm going to minimize it where you can see it. You just type in the corner there and type in 3 plus minus 2. And it's going to calculate it for you. See, it's equal to 1. So use decimals if you're not comfortable with adding your different signs. Well, even if you're comfortable, just to make sure. 3 plus a negative 2, that will be 1x. So I have 1x squared, which we can just write as 1 as x squared. 4x plus 4x, we're just adding down now. That 10x is a positive 10x. So I'm going to put a plus here, plus 10x. Then minus 11 plus a negative 10, that will be negative 21. So again, first step, change into minus, change minus to plus, and then change the sign of everything on the bottom. Then you just go and add. Go ahead and add. Alright, let's do another example. Let's go down. Here we have 8y squared minus, example 2. 8y squared minus 9y plus 7 minus 4y squared plus 6y minus 8. This right here where it's left to right, that's called horizontally. So here we're going to do a horizontal subtraction. What you want to do is keep the first one. You're going to rewrite the first one. Keep it as it is, 8y squared minus 9y plus 7. You want to go ahead and change minus to plus. So remember, minusing, subtracting something, the same thing as adding the opposite sign of it. So we're going to change minus to plus. So we keep change. Change minus to plus. And then we're going to change the sign of every polynomial to the right. So we're going to, of every term to the right in the polynomial to the right. So this 4y squared becomes a negative 4y squared. This plus y, 6y becomes minus 6y. And this minus 8 becomes plus 8. So 8y squared minus 9y plus 7 is equal. Plus 7 is the same thing as plus negative 4y squared minus 6y plus 8. Now the next step is you want to go ahead and underline your like terms. So on my y squared, I'm going to put one line under it. One line. On my y's, I'm going to put 2 lines on there. On my numbers, my constants, I'm going to put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now go ahead and combine your like terms. So my y squared, I'll start with them first. I'm going to say 8y squared plus a negative 4y squared. So I like to reorder it, write it, and reorder it first. And here I have minus 9y minus 6y. And then I have this plus 7 plus 8. Notice I'm taking the sign in front of all of my terms with them. So 8y squared plus a negative 4y squared, that will be 8 plus negative 4 is a positive 4. Put it in decimals if you don't know. So I end up with 4, positive 4y squared. Negative 9 minus 6. If it's the same sign, you add and you take the sign. So 9 plus 6 is 15. That will be negative 15y. Or negative 9 minus 6. Go to decimals if you're not sure and type it in. Minus 9 minus 6. Okay, it'll give you see it down here, right here. It says negative 15. Next I have plus 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8